Today we are doing week 9, lesson 3, and we are starting division today. Last time we finished with our word problems of multiplication, and that was the last part. Now we're starting division. I hope you remember it, because we are beginning now. And let me make this smaller first. There we go. That should make it much easier to write. Okay. So today we are going to start division, and to introduce it, we will go shopping at Uncle Tim's shop first. In Uncle Tim's shop, we have lots of things. Stickers, we have hats, we have teddy bears, we have table tennis balls. I know we have a table tennis star in our class. We have batteries, we have octopi, and books, and pencils. We have so many cool things, okay? We even have CDs and kites. Now, let's start with looking at what this little girl is picking out. The little girl is looking at table tennis balls, and there are only 2 packages of balls. 1, 2. Okay? So let's go off to the side. In each package, there's 6 balls, right? So if we are multiplying and we want to know how much we have altogether, we can do 6 times 2 equals 12. We have 12 tennis balls altogether. Okay? But if we have how many tables? Let's say we have 1, 2, 3 tennis ball tables. And we have 12 balls. How many balls can we give each table? Well, we can see I made 1 extra ball by mistake. We can see by the picture that we can give each table 4 balls. But how do we do it if we just have 12? Well, we have 3 tables, so it's going to be 12 divided by 3. Okay, so if we do 12 divided by 3, we know it's 4, because 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay, so that's pretty easy. But if we want to do it long division, let's try it. 3 divided by 12. So can 3 go into 2? No, 3 doesn't go into 2. So, does 3 go into 12? Yes. 3 goes into 12 4 times. So we'll put a 4 here, a 12 here, minus 0, 0. So we have 4 balls per table. 1, 2, 3. Okay? That's one example. What else do we have in the shop? What do we like? How about our books? Let's look at the books. We have 7 books. I'll change the color now. How about orange? We have 7 books, and we have 2 packages, 1, 2, of 7 books. So let's first multiply. Okay, so 2 times 7 equals 14. But we have how many students? Let's say we have 7 students. Okay, so this is student number 1, student number 2, student number 3, student number 4, student number 5, and student number 6, and student number 7. All right, so if we want to give 14, 1, 2, 3, oops, we're drawing books now, so we'll make them squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many books can we give each student? Well, we can circle the answer for each student, or we can divide it. So we have 7 students. 7 divided by 14. And we know the answer is 2. Perfect. All right. Now let's take a look at one more. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's 7 CDs. That's going to be hard. How about our batteries? We have 8 batteries in one pack, and we have 3 packs. How many batteries do we have altogether? So first we have to multiply 8 times 3, and that equals 24. Now we have 24 batteries, and we have, what kind of toy do we have? How about a race car? So we have a race car. All right. And a race car needs 2 batteries to drive and go all over. And we have, so if each race car needs 2 batteries and we have 24 batteries, how many race cars can we buy? So 1 race car equals 2 batteries. We have 24 batteries. So how many cars? How many cars? All right, so how do we do it? We'll do 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2. 2 divided by 4 is 2. And 2, so let's subtract that. So we now have 20. Now we have 2 goes into, now we're in the tens place, right? So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So our answer is 12. That means if we have 24 batteries, we can buy 12 cars. All right. So let's move on to the next page. Oh, there you are. Let's shrink this page up and do a little bit of review. So like before, just like we were talking about on the first page, let's see how many pies. So the division of 2-digit numbers by a 1-digit number. Super easy. We have 18 pies. Okay, these are 18. we can divide the pies equally into groups of 6. So that means 6 pies in one group. How many groups? All right, so we take 6, 6, and 6, and we have 3 groups of 6. Good. Now the long division method. Let's take a look at it. Method number 1. We have divisor here, dividend here, and this is the quotient or the answer. Okay? So we will divide 6 into 8. 6 times 3 ones equals 18 ones. The remainder is 0. And we will put a 3 here. Good. All right. And next we have the short division. For short division, we have 6 divided by 18 equals 3. So if we have an easy question, short division is really good. If we have a hard question, we need to use long division. So let's quickly read through this. Maybe we'll learn something new. The long and short divisions are methods used to divide a number into equal groups. Dividing in the long and short formats starts from the left digit of the dividend to the right ones. Okay. All right. Now, let's wrap up for today with this page. And next time, we will continue on to page 186. Oops. For homework, you are going to have quiz is 3. So today for math, this week for math, we have, do you know what? I changed my mind. We only have 2 quizzes this week, okay? So let's erase this. We'll do quizzes 1 and quiz is 2. Next week, we will do a division quizzes, okay? Make this week easy for everyone. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.